Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys today, and today is just the classic French and how I go about doing it. So of course, to start off, I started by prepping the nails and also applying these color tip because I don't need clear for any type of design. I also filed down the tips with my electric file while prepping, just because it's going to help me with the filing work part. To go ahead and get the application ready for this part where I do the oval part for the French, I use the Cover Beige by Mia Secret. Of course, there are a lot of other options as for the Cover Beige that you can use. I prefer the Mia Secret one just because I know exactly how it works. I've used it for a while, and also I just really like the color. It goes really well with ombre or any type of style of doing anything, especially like these French. They're more like a natural shade that goes perfect with the white. I also sometimes apply it with, I mix it with a speed cover. No, is it from Young Nails? I just put speed clear in it because that helps it dry faster. This cover usually takes longer to dry. So when I apply it, I make sure to do less liquid and more powder when applying it, and that's how I'm able to achieve that shape quicker in general, or I can control the powder more. So I of course just apply it right at the cuticle. I kind of just push it in there to start setting it. I even here I take less the product out because I know how I'm like not gonna need a lot of it, or it'll just be harder to control. And you want to also think about when you're going to be applying the white part, you don't want to have too much product to file off. So I just go ahead and I just do that, and I play around with it until I like the shape of it, and you'll see me go back and forth. After the application, I use my 80/80 nail file to go ahead and sharpen the edge of the French. I also take this time to match the nails and make sure that the French will look the same. I find that the Mia Secret white is one of the best whites for me personally. All I do to make it more sturdy to work with is I add a little bit of clear in it, and that makes it really nice. And you can tell right here, it's so easy to work with. I just press it side by side until it all comes down, and then I'll have a shape that I already have. So when I go file, it's easier to file. This is definitely one of those things where you have to trust the process for sure, but you want to make sure that you're getting every single part of the nail that does not have any other color on it. Especially around the edge of the French, you want to make sure that the white is set on there, because when you go file, you don't want there to be any air gaps in there. And also on the corner of the nails, you want to make sure that when you file it, that you can see the white and you can see the smile line. Now the filing work should be really easy and simple. Mind you, we already started shaping with our acrylic and our nail tips, so this is just gonna be a quick filing for 10 minutes. Although the French, it does have more product to get rid of, I filed the whole thing with my bit, which of course take your time and do it with a nail file if you have to. Don't worry about rushing yourself at all. I start off by doing in the middle where I can see the smile line, and then I'll go ahead and balance the whole nail to become a structured nail. I don't know, structured nail set, I should say, because you want to make sure you have a really good apex and that the nails are not gonna break. Now we're gonna go right into using our 8080 again nail file. I use 8080 just because the sanding band of course is gonna give me a sharper shaping that is more effective and quicker without more work. I hope you guys learned some things from this video. The fringe is really easy to achieve. It all has to do with practice. I still think there's a lot for me to keep doing it, to keep learning from it, but it's pretty much that's it. I also have more videos coming soon. I just feel like every time I record a video and then I see it, I'm like, it's not worth posting it. So I just have to remember there's trial and error with everything. I've had this video for a while now and I just have not posted it, and I'm so happy to finally be able to get it out for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in and the support. I can't wait to post again soon.